At the heart of every smart trading decision, there is knowledge. Hello, and welcome back to the Olymp Trade channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple ideas that can help improve your trading outcomes. My name is Alex, and to show your support, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, we are going to uncover the mystery behind the powerful tool used by successful traders all over the world, the Ichimoku Cloud. The Ichimoku Kinko Hill, or the Ichimoku Cloud, might sound like a new type of sushi, but it's in fact a fantastic trading tool developed in Japan. It's been around since the 1960s, and it can help you spot trading signals and make profits. The Ichimoku Cloud consists of various technical indicators that shows the support and resistance levels, identify trend direction, gauge momentum, and provide trading signals all at the same time. Before we dive in, let me give you a few tips to keep in mind when using the Ichimoku Cloud. Firstly, it's important not to rely solely on this indicator, as using multiple indicators together can provide more accurate signals. Secondly, combining the Ichimoku Cloud with price action analysis can enhance the quality of your trades. And lastly, the beauty of the Ichimoku Cloud is that it works well across all time frames. So you can use it for short-term trading or long-term trading. Let's break down the components of the Ichimoku indicator. You'll see 5 lines: Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Senku Span A, Senku Span B, and Chikou Span. Each of these lines offers valuable information about the market. For the purpose of this video, we'll focus mainly on the area between Senku Span A and Senku Span B, which forms the core Ichimoku Cloud. You don't need to dive into the theory behind each line, so you can remove the others and concentrate on the cloud. Now, let's talk about how the Ichimoku Cloud is traditionally used. There are several ways to interpret it and spot trading signals. First of all, it is essential to identify the directional bias by observing whether price is above or below the cloud. If the price is above the cloud, it indicates a bullish or upward market trend. If it's below the cloud, it suggests a bearish or downward market trend. Next, we need to gauge momentum by looking at the gap between price and the cloud. In an uptrend, the wider the gap, the stronger the bullish momentum. Conversely, when price moves closer to or oscillates within the cloud, it suggests a decrease in bullish momentum and possible price consolidation. The same principle applies in a downtrend, where the distance from the cloud can indicate bearish momentum. Additionally, a break through the cloud could signal a trend shift. Patience is key when trading with the Ichimoku Cloud. Although the cloud may seem complex at first, with its lines and shaded areas, once you grasp how to interpret its components, it becomes much simpler. So if you haven't tried using the Ichimoku Cloud in your trading strategy yet, I encourage you to give it a shot. Remember, practice makes perfect. So start by using it on a demo account, get comfortable with it, and gradually integrate it in your live trading strategy. I hope this guide has provided you with a better understanding of how to use the Ichimoku Cloud in your trading strategy. I'd love to hear your experiences with it, so please feel free to share your thoughts, comments, and questions below. As always, I wish you happy trading. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting insights. See you next time.